Hi there. So you might be having the update available option on your Divi theme. So whenever you will log in your WordPress dashboard, you will find the themes need to update to the latest version. And when you click, you will see this option to update, and it will only available when you will add your API credential. So if you have not added, you can go back to the Divi theme options, and from there you will find the updates option, and under the updates tab you can insert your API credential. So your elegance theme username will be the username, and the API key you can generate from your elegance theme account dashboard. So here is the username and API key if you logged into your elegance theme account. So go back to your elegance theme account, and from there you will have to go back to the API keys, and from here you on the bottom you will find the generate new API key option. After you will click, a new API key will be generated, and you can have give it a label. So like testing is totally optional, so just leave what you would like to have there. Then you can click to copy, and then use on your website. So we already have the username and API key, so we don't need to use this. So let's delete this one, and we are fine. So leave it from here. But if you would like to download the themes, you will go back to the Elegance theme website. So let's see how we can manually update. So this update can be done from automatic. Just click on the update, it will be working fine. But let's see how we can update from manually. So at first we can see the automatic update option. So click on here, it will take time and it will be updated. Yes, it's just updated in just a couple of seconds. But let's see how we can update from the another option. So I'll go back to your elegance theme members area. Click here to download the theme. So it will be download. I'm going to download it. I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel this one, and then click to add new theme, upload theme, and choose the theme file from your directory or wherever you download it, and then click to install. It will take a few moments to upload on your server. Then you will find the confirmation window, and here from you will have to click to confirm and replace the old theme. So here is the window, and here you will find the outdated version copy, and here will be the new copy option, so you can compare which version you had before the new version has been uploaded. Then replace it with uploaded, then it will be replace the older version. Now we have the latest version. There has two more ways. One is from your FTP client, and another way is using the file manager plugin here. So if you would like to use file manager plugin, you can try like a FileBite Lite or something like. So I'm going to use the this one, File Manager Pro by Ninja Team. This one is really cool. So from there you can have all the files from your dashboard, or sorry, your server. So go to the content folder, and from there go to themes, and here you will have to upload. So I'm going to upload my themes here. After the upload complete, you will find divi.gif file is here. So we are going to delete this one because it's need to remove before we can unzip this one. So delete, and it will take just few seconds. Then go to extract here. Then a new Divi folder has been added here. So we don't need the zip file anymore. So we can also remove this one. So this is the another way you can upload a new or latest Divi theme on your website. And there have another way using file manager. So I have already set up my SFTP. So you can also set up your SFTP. Then I'm going to log in my SFTP account. You can use your FTP or SFTP. It's totally fine. FTP it doesn't use the HTTPS, but SFTP does. So that is the same process. Go to the WP content folder, go to the themes, and then you can upload the same way. Here you can upload, but the issue is whenever you will upload and going to extract from file manager, it will take much longer time. So the best way is you can upload from here. So I'm going to upload. Just drag here. It will start uploading. You can see the progress top or bottom. So I'm not going to wait for a moment. Just skip for now. So after the upload is complete, you can go back to the plugins, add new plugin, and search for a file manager plugin. This process will make the entire things more faster. So here you will have the file manager pro option from the Ninja team. They have another plugins, but we don't need this one. We need this one, the yellow one. So after install and click to active, then you will find the same file manager option from here. If you go to the same directory, you will found the divi.zip file. You can do the same, extract here. It will also be extracted here. And before that, make sure to delete the existing Divi folder, so it will not conflict with the old or new files. So we have already knew this, and this is the how you can update your Divi theme in 3 different ways. It's not for the Divi. You can apply the same thing with other themes or plugins. The process is the same, just the product will be the different. I hope that helps. Give it a try and let me know if you stuck on any point. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video.